Despite finding that Hillary Clinton repeatedly violated classified procedures, the FBI announces no charges will be filed against the presumptive Democratic nominee. When American News reveals the inconsistencies in Clinton's explanations of her email scandal with the results of the FBI investigation.
110 emails in 52 email chains have been determined by the owning agency to contain classified information at the time they were sent or received.
I did not send or receive any information that was marked classified at the time.
7 email chains concern matters that were classified at the top secret special access program at the time they were sent and received.
I did not email any classified material to anyone on my email. There is no classified material.
8 of those chains contained information that was top secret at the time they were sent. 36 of those chains contained secret information at the time.
I did not send classified material, and I did not receive any material that was marked or designated classified.
They were extremely careless in their handling of very sensitive, highly classified information.
First, let me say that I am confident that I never sent nor received any information that was classified at the time it was sent and received.
We assess it is possible that hostile actors gained access to Secretary Clinton's personal email account.
There were no security breaches.
We do assess that hostile actors gained access to the private commercial email accounts of people with whom Secretary Clinton was in regular contact from her personal account.
Any indication that your private server was hacked by foreign hackers?
No, not at all.
The FBI also discovered several thousand work-related emails that were not among the group of 30,000 emails returned by Secretary Clinton to state in 2014.
I responded right away and provided all my emails that could possibly be work-related.
The lawyers doing the sorting for Secretary Clinton in 2014 did not individually read the content of all of her emails as we did for those available to us.
We have a very thorough review process that we conducted, and my attorneys supervised it. They went through everything, and what we had available at the time was turned over.
It's highly likely that their search missed some work-related emails and that we later found them.